to the program We're Watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santamaria. It's a very cool morning. Temperature check. Minus 48 degrees. This is one of my favorite streets, guys. Parallel to sa Daang Hari. And this is an access road of sorts to get to that commercial area over there. And it's directly outside, the perimeter wall of Ayala Alabang. Champaka Gate is over there. And as you go straight, you're gonna hit Landers. Perimeter pa rin ng Ayala Alabang. Then you turn right to Commerce Avenue. It's one of my favorite roads. Tahimik, lalo na sa umaga. And one way lang to. Just goes that way. ATC bound. Solo for now. I have about a 10-kilometer ride before I get to our meeting place ng local tropa ko. I love my local tropa. Sila ang they're my top group. Yang grupo ko dito. And we call ourselves the Dailies. Pardon the non-creative, lazy name for the group. We call ourselves the Dailies because we started out as daily cyclists. Dailies, not for lack of trying. That being said, I want to ask you if you have multiple cycling groups like me. So I have my local tropa. I'm part of the Rafa Cycling Club. And I love my club dearly. Buong puso yan. Full dedication. I'm an RCC ride leader. And heart and soul ang pagiging ride leader ko dyan. And there are other, I wouldn't say groups, but there are other sets of friends din na nakaka-ride ko. Meron ako mga nakakasamang mga folding bike, grupo ng mga MTB/gravel off-roaders. I love all these groups, otherwise hindi naman ako sasama sa kanila. And I'm telling you this for a reason, and that's the topic for this ride. So tara, join me. One of my strengths, one of my character traits that I like the most, and wife ko nagpa-realize sa akin ito actually. Hindi ako ma-FOMO. If you don't know what FOMO is, so they're the letters FOMO, and they stand for, teka, ingay wait lang. FOMO means fear of missing out. Let me explain that a little bit. Fear of missing out. As the words imply, ibig sabihin nito, ayaw mong absent ka sa mga happening. Gusto mo palagi nandyan ka. Diba? FOMO. Kung balanse kang tao, if you got a good head on your shoulders, ang FOMO, harmless yan, for the most part. Pero may mga masasamang implication yan sa totoo lang. May feeling ka na ikaw ang magiging topic. Pangit, Pangit ng ganun tropa. Pag yan ang kultura ninyo. You must have heard about the saying, small people talk about people, and big people talk about ideas. Ganda, di ba? I'm proud of my own thing. I guess I'm fortunate that I have a good family. I love my family. I love hanging out with my wife and my daughter. I have a great set of friends. My core my core friends, mga taga dito sa South. I love him. No? I'll defend my friends. I'm highly protective of my own. No, even when they're not around, kahit hindi ko sila kasama, I'm gonna defend my friends because that's what they'll do for me also. Yun ang meron ako sa circle ko. So I guess what I really want to say here is that I got good things going for me. And malaking factor yon, no, sa insecurity ng isang tao. Ang tendency nga naman ng tao, pag may mga kulang sa certain aspects in their life, they tend to try to fill those gaps. Diba? Ang taong secure and very confident, wala masyadong need yan kasi they got a good thing going on for them. Going back to the C64, and this is the probably third week na wala siyang bike skin. I'm loving the look, nagmukhang bago, pero if you've seen my previous vlog, I mentioned na gusto kong ibalik yung bike skin dahil nga sobrang ganda. I want to preserve the freshness, so it's gonna happen soon. I remember the days nung bata-bata ako. Alala ko how much of a FOMO guy I was. No? Aalis yung tropa, hindi ka kasama. Isipin mo, no ba, may ginawa ba ako? Ba't di nila ako bati? Hindi pong ganun. Tropa mo sa basketball, tropa mo sa village. So yun, understandable yun, yung FOMO aspect ng youth. Pero when you get to a certain age, tas ang lakas mo sa FOMO, may ibig sabihin yan. We are near home. That was a good ride, 42 kilometers. And when we get home, we're probably gonna hit 44. Decent ride, long enough for 42, but easy. We're preparing for a run tomorrow. Meron akong training run again because I have a 10K coming up a week from now. I'm not a runner. I hate running. That's why I keep doing it. Yung FOMO pala, may tamang usage yan. May tamang usage. Ito example ng maling usage. And now I'm just being a grammar and composition Nazi here, okay? Kaartehan na lang. Pero may pinost yung barkada mo. Umalis sila, hindi ka nakasama. May post sa FB. Comment ka. Ay, nakaka-FOMO naman. Oh, understood yun, di ba? Pero mali yun. Kasi ibig sabihin nga ng FOMO, fear of missing out. Hindi dapat FOMO yung comment mo. Nakaka-FOMO, hindi ka nakasama. FOMO ka kung sumama ka. Right? For fear of missing out, sumama ka. So ang comment mo doon, sa mga post na hindi ka nakasama, warning, sa mga post na hindi ka nakasama, ang comment mo dyan, mas bagay yung IMO. I missed out. Kasi hindi ka nakasama eh. Diba? Ang mga magko-comment ng FOMO yung mga sumama. Kaya ka nga sumama eh. For fear of missing out. Okay? Oh, ayan. So, strength ko yan. Wala akong feelings of FOMO. Hindi ako inggitero. Okay lang ako. I'm cool. I'm happy with my own thing. Because, you know, I'm all right like that. I'm cool like that, no? And that's a strength. Matanda na rin naman tayo eh, no? It comes with age na rin at maturity. Pero marami din tayong ka-age na ganyan pa rin. Alam natin yan. Just think of your friends kung sino yung mga ganito. Hindi baka ikaw mismo ma-FOMO ka din, di ba? May good and bad aspects naman yan eh. Channel nyo lang yung good siguro, di ba? Sino ba naman ako para magbigay ng advice? That's it. You guys always ride safe. God bless you all. It's the end of the video. Ingat kayo. See you next time.